Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says Git is not recognized as an internal or external command on Windows. This problem usually happens because Windows does not know where Git is installed. So first, we need to check the Git installation folder. Open File Explorer and go to your main drive, usually local disk CP. Then open Program Files and look for the Git folder, open it, then open the NCND folder inside it. This folder contains the git.exe file. The full path should look similar to C:\program files git.cmd. Copy this exact path. Now we need to add this path to the system environment variables. Click on the Start menu and type Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the new window, click on Environment Variables. In the bottom section called System Variables, scroll down and find Path. Select it and click Edit. In the next window, click New and paste the full path to the git.cmd folder. Then click OK until all windows are closed. Now close your command prompt if it is open. Open it again so the changes can apply. Type git version and press Enter. If everything is correct, you will see the installed Git version. Thanks for watching.